So here's how you can block websites on the iPad. Let me show you exactly how it works. If it's your first time being here, most definitely subscribe for more and upcoming videos like this one. Okay, so whenever you want to block individual websites, you would do it through the settings of the iPad where you can find the screen time section. And in there you can see you have to kind of have it set up to begin with, but then below we can find the content and privacy restrictions, and this is what we have to head into because by default it's going to be turned off. We have to enable it with the toggle. And then there are going to be a bunch of different settings and parts of the iPad where you can put some restrictions in place. And we are most definitely interested in the web type of restrictions. So you're going to go to the App Store, Media, Web, and Games. And in there, you can check out the web content. And as I said, by default, it's going to be unrestricted, but you can basically choose to limit adult websites, right? Or you can allow only approved websites. So it depends on which option you want to go with, because you can limit the websites as such, and perhaps choose that you always allow some websites or you never allow some of them. And part of the never allow, you can literally paste any link that you want and it is simply not going to be usable, right? So it can be literally whenever you want. You can just paste it in here and now the websites are simply not going to be available, including the one you specifically decided that is simply not going to work. So that is how it would function on the iPad. I really hope I could help you out. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in the future videos too.